The components you'll get in your M600 Pro adapter kit for TrueView controller are the top plate assembly, 2 hex drivers, a 1.5mm and a 2mm, 4 standoffs, and 4 set screws. And it is important to use Loctite on the standoffs and the set screws when installing it onto your M600 Pro drone. To install the M600 adapter plate, we want to begin by removing these 4 screws. We'll use a 2mm driver for that. Take the 4 set screws, make sure you apply Loctite to them, and screw them in very gently into the 4 holes that you removed the other screws from. Be careful not to over tighten the set screws, as there is a chance they could puncture through the carbon fiber. So just snug but not overly tight. Next, we will take the 4 standoffs, apply Loctite, and attach them to the set screws. Again, don't overly tighten them, just snug. The M600 adapter plate, align it with the 4 standoffs, and secure it using the 4 screws from the M600. Attach the TrueView control box, align the feet with the little sockets, and press down. To install the Ronin mount, you'll want to invert your craft so you can access the bottom. The existing mount that's on here will need to come off. Each end has 3 screws. Remove all 3 of those screws. Remove the bracket and place the Ronin mount onto the bottom of the craft. The red clip goes towards the back of the craft, and then reattach all 12 screws. Make sure to use Loctite. And that completes the attachment of the Ronin mount to the M600.
All right, as we see here, this is the front of the drone. The first battery is labeled 1, and then the back of the drone, this is labeled 4. Now, this is the back. Here's 4. Your sensor is going to be right here. So we're going to come here with the dovetail. Is going to slide through this Ronin mount right here. Coming at an angle, and then we tighten. Make sure that it is flush and tight. We're going to connect the Cat 6 wire from the TrueView controller to the TrueView sensor. Here's the antenna mast. We're gonna get this wire here, slide it under this bar, connect that. Next, we're gonna use a safety tie. Make sure that you have Ronin mount and the TrueView connected. Make sure it's secure. And that is complete setup.